Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Samudra, and I'm from English Education Department, semester 3. So I have a midterm exam for tefl, teaching English foreign language. So we move to the question. The first question is: prior to teaching English, what specific factor related to the learner should be considered? So there are several things to pay attention. Firstly is learn vocabulary. Why we must learn vocabularies? Because vocabulary is the basis of the English language, so it is important to learn it well. And secondly is about learn grammar. It includes grammar rules and sentence structure and how to use tense. And thirdly, we must learn to speak and listen, because practice speaking and listening to English with other people or through media such as a film and music can improve our skill. And fourthly, we can learn to write. We practice writing in English by writing the letters or short stories and blogs. So five is learn to read. Reading a book, articles, and some newspapers in English, so will help you to improve your reading skills. And the last is like practice regularly, is practice every day to improve your English skill. That is for number one. So we move to number two, and the question is: what qualities contribute to being an exceptional English teacher? There is number one. The first is excellent in English, and secondly is effective communication skills. Three, deep understanding of grammar and sentence structure, and fourthly is we must have creativity in designing learning materials, ability to motivate and inspire students. And okay, enough. There are some examples of how we went to become good English teacher. And we move to number three. Identify multiple strategies for interactive teaching English in remote areas where there is a lack of electricity and internet access. So the first is like portable whiteboards and traditional media. We can use portable whiteboards and traditional media such as words, cards, and posters or pictures to provide learning material visually. And secondly is like group games. We make a group games and activities, so we can use group games and activities that do not require electronic device. Example are like word games and or simulations of communicative situation. Number three is like we can use simple printed materials, prepare learning materials in printed form that can be distributed to students, and this can be worksheets, short stories, or written assignment. Okay. And fourthly is like we can use to story fairy tales and oral stories. Use a fairy tales and oral story to build listening and comprehension skills. Students can be participate in reading or creating stories together. And the fifth is we can use some music and songs. To integrate music and songs in teaching, students can learn vocabulary and language structures through song like lyrics or singing together activities. Okay. And Seven is like books exchange, like encourage books exchange among students to read and share stories. This can improve reading and writing skills. And eight, we can use field lessons, take advantage of the surrounding environment as a learning resource, conduct field lessons to observe and interact with English in real context. Okay, this for the answer for number three. Maybe just this from me. Uh, I'm sorry if there are mistakes, so I'm so apologize. Okay, thank you very much, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.